Very good morning, everyone. Welcome back to HR Board. My name is Nandini Shukla. I did my MBA in HR and qualified the UGC NET exam June 2024 with 99.312 percentile. So yes, now the focus is on June 2025. So all those students who are preparing for June 2025 exam, subject labor welfare, IR HRM, code 55. So they can join my channel HR Board and also the Telegram group HR Board Official. So today is our first class for June 2025, which is topic is books and authors. So the first book is, who is the author of the book, The Functions of the Executive? The author of the book, The Functions of the Executive is Chester I. Bernard. Side by side, please make your notes also, okay? Second book is, who is the author of the book on the economy of machinery and manufacturers? Charles Babbage. Who is the author of the book Work, Wages and Profits? Henry Gantt. Henry Gantt. Who is the author of the book The New Ways of Managing Conflict? New Ways of Managing Conflict, Francis Likert. Who is the author of the book The Practice of Management? Who is the author of the book The Practice of Management? Peter Drucker. Author of the book The Principles of Scientific Management. Who is the author of the book The Principles of Scientific Management is F.W. Taylor. He is also known as the father of scientific management. Who is the author of the book Engineer as an Economist? Engineer as an Economist, Henry R. Town. Who is the author of the book Career Anchors? Career Anchors, Edgar Sechin. Who is the author of the book Fifth Discipline? Peter Sanger. Peter Sanger. Who is the author of the book History of Trade Unionism? History of Trade Unionism is Sidney and Beatrice Webb. Who is the author of the book Poverty of Philosophy and Communist Manifesto? These are two different books, okay? And the author is same, that is Karl Marx. Who is the author of the book The Philosophy of Labor? Tannenbaum. Who is the author of the book Young India and Harijan? Mahatma Gandhi. Who is the author of the book The World of Labor? The World of Labor, G.D.H. Cole. Who is the author of the book Trade Unionism in the New Society? Harold Joseph Lusky. Harold J. Lusky. Trade Unionism in the New Society. Next book is The Wealth of Nations. Author is Adam Smith. Next book is Psychology and Industrial Efficiency. Hugo Munsterberg. Hugo Munsterberg. Who is the author of the book The Principles of Organization? The Principles of Organization. The author of the book is Monet and Riley. Next book is Organizing for Work. Organizing for Work. The author is Henry Gantt. He has also given the Gantt chart. Next book is Competing for the Future. ये recent अभी एग्जाम में पूछी गई थी बुक, ठीक है? Prahlad and Hemal. Competing for the Future is a book written by Prahlad and Hemal. Next is, who is the author of the book The Professional Manager? The Professional Manager. Douglas McGregor. Who is the author of the book Intrinsic Motivation and Self-Determination and in Human Behavior? Intrinsic Motivation and Self-Determination in Human Behavior. Edward L. Dickey and Richard M. Ryan. The author of the book, A Theory of Human Motivation, A Theory of Human Motivation, written by Abraham Maslow. Abraham Maslow. Next book is Benchmarking, The Search for Industry Best Practices That Lead to Superior Performance. The author is Robert C. Camp. Next is, these are different books but the author is same. The Speaker of the House of Representatives, first book. The New State, the second book. The Creative Experience, third book. And Dynamic Administration is the fourth book. And the author is Mary Parker Follett. The Speaker of the House of Representatives, The New State, Creative Experience and Dynamic Administration. Mary Parker Follett. She is also known as the, can anyone tell me? Mother of Modern Management. Mother of Management. She is known as the Mother of Management. Next book is Innovation and Entrepreneurship, Managing for Results, Age of Discontinuity. Peter Drucker. Peter Drucker. Peter Drucker. Next is The Art of Cutting Metals, The Principles of Scientific Management and the Shop Management. These are three different books. The first book, Art of Cutting Metals. Second book, The Principles of Scientific Management, and the third book is Shop Management. The author is F.W. Taylor. Next is The Human Side of Enterprise. ये भी इस बार एग्जाम में पूछी गई थी. Douglas McGregor. The Human Side of Enterprise has written by Douglas McGregor. So this is the list of few more books. The Concept of the Corporation, Peter F. Drucker. Onward Industry, Mooney and Riley. Full Employment in Free Society is the book written by William Beveridge. Wage, Goods and Strategy, Vakil and Brahmananda. Organizing Concepts and Models, Lewis R. Pondy. Organization in Action, James D. Thompson. Industrial Democracy, Sidney and Beatrice Webb. सिडनी एंड बियाट्रिस वेब ने और कौन सी एक बुक लिखी है जो हम लोगों ने पहले डिस्कस करी है? कैन एनीवन टेल मी? इकोनॉमी एंड सोसाइटी, मैक्स वेबर. Human Resource Champions, The Next Agenda for Adding Value and Delivering the Results is a book written by Dave Ulrich. Let's solve few questions also. Who is the author of the book The Human Problems of Industrial Civilization? Human Problems of Industrial Civilization. Human problem की जगह अगर social problem आ जाए, political problem आ जाए तो इनके author same है. ठीक है? कौन है? एल्टन मायो. एल्टन मायो is the author of the book The Human Problems of Industrial Civilization, Elton Mayo. Next is, who is the author of the book Industrial Relations Systems, IR Systems? John T. Dunlop, Elton Mayo, F.W. Taylor या Henry Gantt? The answer is John T. Dunlop. Who is the author of the book The Theory of Wages? Who is the author of the book The Theory of Wages? Henry Gantt, Elton Mayo, John R. Hicks या गुरु स्वामी सुंदर? The answer is John R. Hicks. So yes, this is all for today's class. I hope you will find this session valuable and informative. Please like the class, share with your friends, comment if you have any doubt and subscribe to my channel. Those who are preparing and जिनका भी focus है जून 2025 में अपना नेट क्लियर या JRF क्लियर करने का. इन 10 मिनट्स में हम लोगों ने अप्रॉक्स 35 to 40 बुक्स को कवर कर लिया है. आप लोग प्लीज इसके नोट्स बना लीजिएगा ताकि एंड में आप लोगों को रिवीजन करने में आसानी रहे. ठीक है? थैंक यू सो मच स्टूडेंट्स.